Today we have an exciting comparison between brand new Galaxy Watch 7 and the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Samsung promises that these watches are the ultimate companions for your health, fitness, and everyday life. The Galaxy Watch 7 comes with top-notch specs, a gorgeous display, and comprehensive health tracking features. On the other hand, the Galaxy Watch Ultra takes things up a notch with a more rugged design, better battery life, and advanced features tailored for extreme athletes and adventurers. So it seems that these two have it all, but there is a big price difference between them. Let's break down all the features, compare their performance, and help you decide which one is the right fit for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. First up, let's talk about price and availability. Both the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch Ultra are available for pre-order at Amazon, with shipments expected by the end of the month. The Watch 7 comes in two sizes, 40 and 44mm, and starts at $300 for the Bluetooth-only 40mm model, and going up to $380 for the 44mm LTE version. On the other hand, the Galaxy Watch Ultra starts at a hefty price tag of $650 for the Bluetooth model, and for the LTE version costing an extra $50. Clearly, the Ultra is aimed at those willing to spend more for premium features. Moving into the design. The Galaxy Watch 7 sticks to Samsung's classic circular case, while the Ultra shakes things up with a new squarish cushion case design. The Watch 7 sports an aluminum case, whereas the Ultra boasts a robust Grade 4 titanium case. This makes the Ultra not only more durable, but also water-resistant, up to 100 meters, double that of the Watch 7. Plus, the Ultra is designed to withstand extreme altitudes, from 500 meters below sea level to 9,000 meters above. This makes it perfect for mountaineers and extreme athletes. The Ultra also features a customizable quick button, an emergency siren, and a peak screen brightness of 3000 nits, ensuring you can see it even in the brightest sunlight. Speaking of screens, both watches have the same 1.5-inch Super AMOLED display for the larger models, but the Ultra's brightness is a standout feature. The 40mm Watch 7 has a slightly smaller screen, but overall, the Ultra's display capabilities make it easier to use in diverse environments. Onboard tech is crucial, and both watches come packed with Samsung's latest bioactive wellness sensor, combining a PPG heart rate sensor, ECG sensor, blood oxygen reader, and a new bioelectric impedance analysis sensor. And that's not all, they also include an onboard temperature sensor, accelerometer, barometer, gyro sensor, geomagnetic sensor, and light sensor. Both models share the same Exynos processor, with 2 GB of memory and 32 GB of storage, which is a nice upgrade from the previous generation. When it comes to wellness and fitness, both watches offer extensive tracking capabilities, but the Ultra takes it a step further. It tracks over 100 exercise types and can handle complex multi-sport activities like triathlons. Cyclists will appreciate the Ultra's ability to determine their functional threshold power quickly and get personalized heart rate zones. Both watches feature race mode, body composition insights, and metabolic health monitoring. They also provide an AI-backed daily energy score and sleep tracking, including alerts for sleep apnea and irregular heart rhythms. You can perform on-the-spot ECGs with either watch, making them both great for health monitoring. Operating systems and features are another area where these watches shine. Both run on the latest Wear OS 5, giving you access to a wide range of apps. They support contactless payments via Samsung Wallet, and the new AI-backed Suggested Replies feature makes staying in touch easier. The double pinch gesture is also a handy addition, similar to the Apple Watch's double tap motion, and it's supported on the new Galaxy Ring as well. In terms of connectivity, both watches are well equipped. They support dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC for mobile payments, and optional LTE for data. The improved dual-frequency GPS on both models provides precise location tracking, making them perfect for navigating through urban or wooded areas. This feature levels the playing field between the two watches, with the Galaxy Watch 7 being one of the most affordable smartwatches with such advanced GPS capabilities. Finally, let's talk about the battery life. The Galaxy Watch Ultra boasts an impressive 100 hours in power save mode and 48 hours in exercise power save mode with GPS. thanks to its 590 mAh battery. In comparison, the Galaxy Watch 7 offers about 40 hours between charges, with a 300 mAh battery in the 40mm version and a 435 mAh battery in the 44mm model. While both offer substantial battery life, the Ultra's larger battery makes it a better choice for longer adventures or heavy use. So, which one should you buy? Well, it really depends on your needs. The Galaxy Watch 7 is a fantastic, affordable option for general use, offering great features at a reasonable price. It handles most workouts and daily activities with ease. On the other hand, the Galaxy Watch Ultra is designed for those who need a rugged, high-performance smartwatch. It's perfect for extreme sports enthusiasts, climbers, and divers who require a tougher build, brighter screen, and longer battery life. If you need that extra durability and advanced features, the Ultra is worth the investment. But for most people, the Galaxy Watch 7 will more than suffice. That wraps up our comparison of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let us know in the comments which one you're leaning towards and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Ostar. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.